Alright, morning guys, afternoon, whatever time you are watching this. Getting my breakfast started this morning. So I got the pan here, warming up. Got some cage-free egg whites. And some real egg whites. Real eggs with whites. It's just egg beaters. It is 1:30 in the afternoon. I'm on nights right now, so I just woke up about 45 minutes ago. Got Monster and some turkey sausages that I'll throw in the microwave. Fry these up. Not sure what I'm gonna put in them yet. Maybe a little bit of sea salt. Yeah, still getting woke up. Went to bed about 8 this morning. So, you get some spray in there and get going. Alright, so there's a lot in both of those still. About, I'm going to guess, half to 3/4 of a cup, especially of the egg whites. There's still a lot of them left. Probably going to throw some hot sauce on them and put them all together on these whole wheat sandwiches. They're just thin little piece of bread. Probably do 2 of them with a little bit of butter spray and the hot sauce. Alright, so eggs are all fried up. I just threw the turkey sausages inside it to warm it up and some sea salt in there. And I toasted these a little bit, put some butter spray on. I'll just slap a little bit of this mixture in there and then throw some hot sauce on it. So that's definitely more than I'll be able to eat this morning. So I'll just throw some in a container, probably about half that, and eat that tomorrow morning. Same kind of deal. And I don't have much planned today. Cause it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm gonna go pick up the kid from school in about an hour and a half, and get ready to take her out to the Santa house tonight. Maybe I can convince the wife to go out to dinner tonight. So we'll kind of do the Santa house full day of eating, and get to the gym tonight too. Alright, so I got about an hour and a half before I gotta leave to go meet my wife. So I'm just gonna finish putting the boards up over here. I haven't done anything since the last video. They're gonna go all the way to right there. Do as many as I can right now, and I'll catch up with you guys when I'm done so I can get this busted out. Alright, so I started right there. Got all these put up to there. Wall will be right there. And oh, excuse me. Now I gotta get cleaned up, get ready to go to town, and meet the wife, and go see Santa Claus.
You a little excited?
Yeah.
And then we'll ride the choo-choo train?
Yeah.
Was that free?
Yeah.
Okay, I couldn't remember.
What is this one? Yeah, you want to go get your picture taken with them and everything?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hang on.
That's a great way to get away.
You're here now, he's going to have no shoes on. Remember last year they were late opening?
Mm-hmm.
They're like 15 minutes.
Don't
Holly's sisters. No. Leave that stuff on. We're not getting all undressed. Isn't that just a snowman?
It's Frosty. We're just listening to Frosty the Snowman
Oh,
song.
I see Olaf. He's in the picture.
Oh, yeah.
He's up there, bro. I don't know what I did to my heel. What? Is it? No. What? Riley, sit back. Hey. Sit back. Okay, say cheese. Show me.
Look at Daddy. Sit back. Look at me and smile.
Oh my God, you're black. Watch his hat. Riley. Watch his hat. Little bit. There we go.
Really? Are you gonna see Santa?
Yeah.
He's gonna be so excited to see you. Yes. You ready to go see Santa? He's been waiting.
Oh, we're fine.
What?
You're fine. Go ahead.
You're good.
Really?
You get a picture?
Yeah.
Yep.
Here you go.
I see it too. Oh my goodness.
Malachi, you gotta come get mine.
The North Star. Ooh, look at the pretty Christmas tree.
Does it have the TV in front of it?
No, really, just watch the lights. Wow.
This is a silk shell.
You're silly.
Hello, Mr.
Shh, Braylee. Do something like this, Tony.
I know
I don't have
what's
enough
this
time to do it.
Christmas tree. Look at this Christmas tree.
Yeah,
guys.
Braylee, look at the ones over here.
Which ones?
The little ones.
Those ones over there. Over here. In the front. Mommy over here.
No, those red and white ones over here. Watch. The ones that keep flashing.
How far is it?
Oh my god, stop, really. We got 2 more minutes and it'll be done. Do not mess with my hair.
By one, see the mirror.
Just enjoy the lights.
At the end of this song, it'll probably be time to go. Those are so cool.
I'm so hungry.
Look at that big bright tree.
Which part?
The big one right here.
Well, the rainbow on it.
This one? Right here?
This one.
I didn't see that over there.
The other tree?
Yeah.
That one's not as cool as this one.
No, but still.
Yeah, no.
Look it. It's dancing.
Yeah. You just now realized what's going on?
It looks like a car wash. Looks like I don't know.
Looks like a pretty light show. Okay.
It's all done.
Really?
What?